He's calm now.
Good. The rain keeps the river calm today.
Good for the fish.
They're gathering quickly.
They know the sound. The frame is still strong.
Good. It will last the season.
They've grown evenly.
Yes, they're ready soon.
This one is clean.
Place it near the cage. Slowly, don't rush them.
They're calm. This one's ready.
Careful.
He's calm now.
Good.
They've settled again.
The river is kind today.
Hold it there.
I've got it.
It's heavier today.
We'll lift together. That height is good.
It's even now.
This side first.
All right. This one is strong.
Lower it gently. They're calm.
Good. Let them rest.
Just one more.
All right.
That's the last one.
Good. They're calm again.
Good. It's secure.
Good. Everything's in place.
Yes. Let's bring them inside.
Yes.
We're done for today.
Yes. The river was kind today.
Yes.